All right, guys, I'm in a little bit of a dilemma. Do I get it? Do I buy it? Do I not buy it? I've been looking at it. I have it here. Should I get it? Should I not get it? If I don't get it now, will I get it later? I'm a little bit of dilemma. But what should I do? Should I get it or should I not get it?
I don't know. It's up to you. It's your money. It's your money, not mine.
What's up, everybody, and how is everybody doing? I am in the beautiful city of San Fernando this morning. The heck am I doing up here, right? I got an email last week from the bank with the car loan. The email said your paperwork is available to pick up. You have to go to the BPI service center, right? Service center in San Fernando and get your paperwork. So that's what we're doing today. We're up here. I actually finished the process. Very simple process. It's kind of right here. I'm not going to go in and show you, but right here is like the place where you get all your loans and your car loans and your mortgage loans and everything. They're the ones that handle it here. So I had to go in there, tell them I'm here to get my paperwork for my bank or for the car loan. Real simple, easy in and out. I had to go over to the bank, which is right next door, pay like a release of the form or stop payment on the mortgage. Very simple, let's put it that way. Very simple to do. And out the door we go. Out the door we go. I got the old look. She came along with me. Like I said, we're up here in San Fernando. Maybe, well, you want to just head over to the mall?
Where?
Something to do, go over to the mall up here? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we'll head over to the...
far.
No, I grab a trike. We'll go across the walk here, grab a trike, and yeah, we'll go over this walkway here. And I don't know, it's been a while since I've been to the SM over here. It is pretty nice. So yeah, give us something to do. It's morning. It's not even noon yet. So off to the mall. Let's afraid of heights. We're gonna walk over. There's a 1, 2, 3, a 4-lane highway. Actually 8 lanes, 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. This is a pretty big city. It's bigger than Angeles City.
Yeah.
Anyways, there it is. There's the BPI Bank, and there's the Retail Loan Center. That's where I had to go, the Retail Loan Center.
There's a lot of CCTV.
Yeah, a lot of CCTV cameras up here. We took a Grab, you know, of course the car is sold. I could have rode up here on the bike. I would have had to go up MacArthur Highway. I had to hop on this road here, probably a good 45 minutes, maybe an hour, depending on the traffic. You know what? Grab the Grab. I grabbed the Grab, and that's how we got up here. Shot right up the highway. 15 minutes at the most we were here. I don't know what we paid. $8, something like that, for the Grab. So anyways, let's head down to the mall. Woo! Been a while since I've been in a jeepney. Took us right up here to the, actually the Robinson Mall is right here. SM Mall is over there. I think we have to go across the walkway. Look. I gotta find the walkway, and oh, it's out here. It's out here. What did that cost us for a jeepney ride?
24. Oh no, 26.
26. So it's 13 pesos each.
Yeah.
13 pesos to ride the jeepney.
This jeepney that goes to
Oh, this one here goes to Daewoo.
No, we have also
that says Florida.
Where's the Robinson? Oh, yeah,
That says Florida Blanca.
It goes to Marty.
This one goes to Marty.
No, some of them goes some.
Oh, okay. So we actually could have taken the jeepney. Hello. We could have taken the jeepney up here. We weren't sure if they left at Marquee Mall. We knew they did leave out of Daewoo, but I figured, you know, Grab's a lot quicker, a lot easier, a lot simpler. This might be a lot cheaper.
This jeepney over here, they goes to Lex.
This jeepney goes on NLEX. Oh, okay. But you pay for that.
Huh?
You pay for that, right?
Oh, no.
Yeah, there's a fee. It's included in your fee. However, you probably got to wait till they all fill up.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah, you got to wait for them to fill completely up before they hit the highway. So, all right, what's wrong? All right, heading over to the mall. All right, we've made it to the mall, and of course, I'm over here at the Cyber Zone. I was looking at the Sony handheld camera. Not the big one, but I'm actually looking for another camera. There you go, they got DJI here. This is a nice Cyber Zone area. Unlike SM Park, where it's all upstairs. This is even new, this coffee shop. But they have a Canon shop here, DJI shop here. Right over here on the corner is a Sony. You guys see it. I kind of like this Cyber Zone better than up at SM Park, because you know what you don't hear here? Tell you what you don't hear here. Everybody yelling to you. What do they say? Looking for what, sir? Looking for what? Buy for what?
glass.
Oh yeah, they're always screaming at SM Mall. Like, looking for what, Saul? Looking for what, sir? Looking for what? Up here at SM Pampanga, they don't do that. So, all right, let me do some more walking around and talking and checking out more of the mall. You know, just talking to Lut, I asked her, I said, which mall do you think is bigger? SM Clark or SM Pampanga? Remember, if you take the highway, 15-20 minute difference. Here's my theory. Of course, they all have everything and anything you could think of. American products, you name it. Matter of fact, there's Oakley over there. You got Burger King in here. You got banks in here, Jollibee, surplus places, hardware stores, all little kiosks here inside this mall. However, I just seen this sign up here. We're going to be going through it. One thing that is nice here in this mall, during Christmas time, they really have it decorated up. Very, very nice. Oh, there it is. The longest fun malling experience at SM Pampanga. Longest. So I say, I think SM Pampanga is a very long mall. However, I think SM Clark is there's more, because you got more wings and everything. So there's your breakdown of the mall. I'm no mall expert here. If anybody's a mall expert, it's Lut, because she's Filipino. Let's not a big fan of the mall. I got to get all our mall experience in before we move, right? Coffee corners. We ate here one time. Pepper lunch. Many places to choose from. Eat in here. Matter of fact, I think we're going to go grab something to eat. All right, guys. I'm in a little bit of a dilemma. Do I get it? Do I buy it? Do I not buy it? I've been looking at it. They have it here. Should I get it? Should I not get it? If I don't get it now, will I get it later? I'm a little bit of dilemma. But what should I do? Should I get it or should I not get it?
I don't know. It's up to you. It's your money. It's your money, not mine.
What am I talking about? I've been looking at, guys, I've always had a point and shoot camera. The last two I had was a Canon G7X Mark I, Mark II. All right, but there's certain things on the Canon that I don't like. I've been looking at the Sony ZV-1. They do have it here. I was looking at it. Do I get it? Don't I get it? It's a tax write-off, so that's a good thing about that. Plus the type of filming I did with the point and shoot, the Canon G7X, I enjoyed that. But I'm looking, like I said, at the Sony. Do I get it? Do I don't get it? Like I said, if I don't get it now, I ain't going to be able to get it except through online. It's going to cost more. Dilemma.
What did you hold?
Huh?
Why did you hold?
Why did I hold what?
What did you hold? Like, it's the same thing. You don't get it now.
Either way, I'm going to get it. Either I pay for it now or pay for it later.
It's just the same thing.
Yeah. What do I do? What do I do? That's all right. Guys, I wanted to show you this here real quick. This is what's nice up here at this mall. That's in Pampanga. Outside in the back, they have the Sky Ranch Pampanga. It opens at noon. Obviously, it is still closed. They got this big Ferris wheel, and at night, that's all lit up. They have a bunch of rides in here, like an amusement park, right? Anywhere from kiddie rides to adult rides. We had taken Hannah Grace up here and her one friend, oh Jesus, 7, 8 years ago? 7 years, 6 ago, something like that. When Hannah first came with us, when we were living in Cashville, we brought them up here and they had a good old time. But they got little, you name it. Like I said, it's just like a little amusement park. From go-kart rides to a train ride to, what do you call it? The, like a dragon boat, whatever. It says Super Viking, from carousel to just a bunch of fun little things in here. Here's your prices. Actually, here's all your rides. You want to see the rides and prices, just freeze it. I just think this is neat. Would I trust it? I guess. You heard me say, I guess, right? But that's what they get per ride, per person. But I wanted to show you this while we were up here. Closed. They even got little food vendors in there and stuff. But yeah, if you're ever up here, check it out. It is pretty neat. Made it into the Sony retailer, the Sony dealer here in the mall. Nice Sony shop here. Got quite a bit of selections. Nice selections here. Headphones, wireless buds, and really nice selection. Here it is. What am I going with? The ZV-1F, the ZV-1, ZV-E10, or ZV-1-2. Which one?
Huh?
Which one should I get? Which one?
I don't know.
Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one?
Most expensive one.
Most expensive always does not mean the best, right? And of course they're all on sale. So what am I going to go with? You guys will have to stay tuned and find out which one I went with. Or maybe I didn't go with any. Maybe I said the heck with it. Don't need it. Nah, I got one. Just wait. All right, guys, we made it home. Guys, I bit the bullet. Which one did I go with? You know, this is all tech talk. Some people aren't into the techie stuff, which I understand. But for guys that are vloggers like me and stuff, cameras are an important thing. You can use your cell phone. I know people that use a cell phone. People with GoPros, DJIs, everything. Whatever you feel comfortable using. Nothing wrong with it. Just use it. What did I go with? I went with, drum roll please, the Sony ZV-1. To me, it's a decent camera. I've researched it, I studied it, where one camera, say the Canon G7X, say the stabilization might be better than say in the Sony, and the color might be better in the Sony than in the, all the little funny, all the little things. It's the little things that matter, right? Flip screen compared to this flip out screen, 4K, all the little things that matter. So yeah, I went with the Sony ZV-1. This is what sucks, guys. It's a 6-hour charging. So I can't play with it. I can't, you know, I'm sitting there online, YouTube studying everything, best settings and this and that and this and that. However, I can't do anything for another maybe 4 or 5 hours. 4 hours. 6-hour charging time. So I can't even play with my new toy. But yeah, I plan to, once it charges, I want to go out to the hospital sometime, probably this weekend. Actually take the drone out there. I want to fly the drone, take the new camera. What's nice about the new camera, it does film better in low light than the GoPro. I can zoom in, zoom out. There's a lot of features with this new Sony ZV-1, and it's not like your newer camera. If I'm not mistaken, it's been out 3 or 4 years now, and still going strong, still getting great reviews. So anyways, there it is. See, what's nice too is it's a write-off. It's a tax write-off. Yes, vloggers have to pay taxes. We get a 1099 every year. Not going to get into the tax situation and the taxes and all that, but we get a 1099. And yes, it'll be part of my write-off next year, I guess. Another thing that's nice too is the Sony, you can put a wide-angle lens on it to where the Canon doesn't have it. Like I said, these are just little tech things. So anyways, guys, I'm waiting for that to charge, and once it charges, I'll be fine-tuning it. So anyways, guys, once again, thank you for all your support. Thank you for staying with me. And you know, I keep talking about moving to the province. Yes, we are. But you know what? There's so much I'm thinking about down there. My presentation of different of where we live at, and you know, being by the ocean and by the jungle, and my mind's going crazy of the things I'm thinking about doing. And I think this Sony's going to play a big role in it, along with the GoPro. So anyways, guys, with that, we will talk to you later. Oh wait, day four, smoke free, day 4. Thanks for all the support, guys.